Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part one. And I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So let's start with you.
Yes, sir.
How often do you read books?
So I usually do read books. I love to read religious books, especially. And when I get free time, I would like to read my favorite book, Najul Balagha, oftenly. And yes, I do read books.
Okay. Do you prefer to read books in the library or at home?
No, no, definitely. I would like to read the books at home because I think reading book in the comfortable zone is the very good thing to get exact meaning of those books and actually getting the something new information in the comfortable zone. Like in library, we are prohibited that we cannot talk or we cannot sit in any inappropriate way. So this is the thing I used to read books at home.
All right. Do you prefer to read books online or in printed form?
I would like to read books in imprinted form.
Why?
Because I think when a person goes online and starts reading a book in a PDF form, we got distractions, so many distractions. Like yesterday, I was reading a book online, so I got text from my friend and it disturbs me, and that's why I think this is the major reason to read those books offline.
All right. How often do you buy books?
Sometimes online, sometimes I borrow.
How often do you buy books? Frequency, every month, after 2 weeks, after a year?
After a month or 2 months or
Why?
2 months.
Okay.
Whenever I go to the library and buy some carry some books from them and even from the market, first of all I have to complete that book and then go to the market for the new one.
Okay, thank you so much. Now it's your turn. Let's make a start. Do you watch TV programs?
Not too much as I have some online work, so I prefer to work as compared to watching TV and wastage the time,
Wasting time.
wasting time. So I mostly prefer to work, focusing on work, and
I prefer to focus on work.
I prefer to focus on work and spending time with my child.
Spend time with my child.
Spend time
Okay,
with my child.
let's go on. Do you like to watch sports programs or matches on TV?
In the early days of my in 19s and in 2001 to 2005, I watched.
I used to
I
watch.
used to watch cricket matches fluently, but after the after that, I didn't.
I didn't watch
any
match on
match
TV,
on TV.
or I have stopped watching matches on TV. So to answer this question, I would say I don't watch any sort of matches on TV. Okay, let's go on. Do you think people will watch TV in the future?
I think people wouldn't watch TV in future as people are watching most of the time, most of the plays on mobiles, on YouTube's, and many more different ways like Netflix, etc. So I think people will didn't waste time.
People will not waste
will
their
not
time
waste their time
on
to
TV to
wait.
watch. Good. Okay, you try to speak, but actually there is hesitation. So you can overcome this hesitation through practice, the first thing. And second, try to brush up your basic English grammar as well. Right? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.